Alright, what's up, y'all? I ain't made a video in a long time. It's probably been like 2 months or going on 2 months. I don't know. I've been like looking for motivation, I guess, cause like I was gonna try to keep going with the gaming thing, but like I don't know. I just don't know what to like record or what to put out. Cause I really been on some other stuff in video games, not really GTA no more. But I got a sneaker unboxing today, right here. Got this from Nike.com. Damn, I missed the hole. I got the box flipped upside down so y'all won't see my information. Let's get it. Wow, this one. Forgot to cut the sides. Damn, why is she cutting into this? Also, like, I haven't been really buying shoes like that either. But when I saw this shoe, I had to like get it. And this is my first time. Like, this is my first Kyrie one, I would say. Yeah, it's a Kyrie one. She's coming. Alright, I don't know. I don't know how the Kyrie one fit. So like, I went through the size. I wear a size 11. These are Kyrie one All Star games. Let's see. These look super nice. I know when I saw the pictures, I was like, I had to get these. And plus, I wanted a Kyrie one because I don't know. I liked the shoe. It looked nice, and some of the colorways. This one wasn't really the colorway I was really going crazy about. It was that red one, but like I didn't have a chance to get it, so I went to the next nice thing, I would say, which is these. And let's see the other shoe. Wrapping paper is super nice. Here's the other shoe if y'all want to see. Got some like, I don't know if y'all can get. It's probably not gonna pick up, but some prints in the inside. And yeah. Just the Kyrie one, y'all. Looks super nice. Can't wait to rock these. I hope they don't run small because I got my real size. I should have went up, but oh well. And I don't know when I'm gonna be dropping another video after this one. Whenever I pick up something, probably. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and that's it.